Well, very sad, but slightly funny also because once they went down this road, they should have thought about the end game. I think you can't just take a call and just take a step back, and I think it was just foolish of them to expect that ICC to just bow down and just accept their demand because just triggered by what? By just one player taken out of IPL, and I think this was a backlash, and they don't realize that they are cutting their nose to spite their face because they stand to lose a lot of money. The participation fee also gone, then sanctions and penalties because you're holding ICC, the world governing body, on what a ransom. And I think this was on the outside very, very unfair of them without realizing that they are harming their cricket also, their ecosystem also. And ICC was never going to bow down. So I think full marks to ICC to take this stand because if they would have relented, then it would have opened the gates for everybody to do the same. And I think just to equate India-Bangladesh situation with the same as India-Pakistan is also wrong. And they should have been more mature going down this road. I think cricket point of view, it won't make a difference because we'll not miss out much on the quality of cricket. We all know where Bangladesh stands at this point. They were not the contenders, and I think Scotland will be good enough. And I think basically it might just be a blessing in disguise because these teams will get this big World Cup experience. And I think Bangladesh has to learn that unless they can only actually just demand so much because what they bring to the table. And I don't think so that we will lose out on much cricket.
Do you think that's the reason why Bangladesh won?
I think this has got to do more with the geopolitical situation also. I think Mustafizur's case was just the trigger point. And I think what is going on, the bad blood between the countries at the government level also is adding to the picture. And I think they have to realize that, they can't just eyeball somebody who's been supporting them for so long and just spoil the relations in just one go. So I think Bangladesh in the long run will lose out because India will not tour Bangladesh, and that is the main cash cow for their board to make money.
Yes, that's a shot.
क्रिकेट की हर बड़ी खबर,
Lovely shot.
हर बड़े अपडेट और लाइव डिस्कशन के लिए जुड़िए मेरे साथ सिर्फ इंडिया टीवी क्रिकेट यूट्यूब चैनल पर।